someone can park on your drive and there's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing more annoying than waking up and finding a complete stranger has parked their car on your private driveway. Right? Well, that's what one woman was faced with this week. So she called the police. But unfortunately for her, there was nothing they could do. According to the law, it's not actually illegal to park your car on a driveway without permission. What is illegal, however, is for the owner of that property to damage the illegally parked car. Odd, we know. So what can you do? Here's everything you need to know if someone dumps their vehicle outside your home. No. There is no criminal law against someone parking on your driveway without your consent. However, according to the RAC, it is committing an act of trespassing. A spokesperson said, "Your driveway is part of your property, so by driving onto it the person is committing an act of trespassing." Trespassing, however, is classed as a civil offense, not a criminal offense, meaning the police don't have the power to make an arrest. Sorry. No again. Before 1991, parking enforcement was handled by the police. However, the Road Traffic Act 1991 was then enforced, pushing responsibility to local authorities. The local councils can issue penalty charge notices for parking offenses on the road, however if it's on a driveway, they cannot. The RAC said, when a car is on a drive, it's technically on private property, and the council had no authority to remove it. Sadly, not a lot. There is a very small chance of getting the law involved, and if you damage the car you could face charges yourself. The RAC said that the best thing to do is to keep calm and don't let the situation escalate. They said, if it's causing an issue, try and speak to the person and resolve the situation sensibly. Yes, you can pursue a civil case for trespassing. If you do this, the courts then have the jurisdiction to remove the car from the driveway. Another option is to pursue a legal claim for nuisance behavior on the grounds that the driver is interfering with your use and enjoyment of your property. Going through the courts, however, is a lengthy process, and could be costly. Harry and Meghan to make first Buckingham Palace balcony appearance this weekend. Uber driver watched football on iPad for 30 minutes while driving. EasyJet and Ryanair among top 10 worst airlines in the world. Yes, you can. However, if the car gets damaged, you could be liable to pay for damages. The Ask the Police website says, don't damage/clamp the vehicle or have it removed by a third party for destruction or storage without first seeking legal advice. If you do any of these things, you may commit a criminal offense or the owner may pursue a civil action against you. Under no circumstances would we advocate you merely pushing the vehicle onto a road and leaving it there, as you may commit a number of offenses. The RAC added, if the car is leaking petrol, contains dangerous items such as gas bottles, or is parked dangerously, call 999 straight away.